Andy is...
That's good.
Andy is working the Jakku. Oh, he's jamming it in my... Okay. I'm here at the gym at Fit Club, and the reason for this video is a couple reasons. Number one, when you're working around an injury, you really have to remember that you have it, that it's there, even if you don't feel it. And I've talked about my disc herniation. I said that I feel like I recovered 2 days after I got out of the hospital. 8 days after I got out of the hospital, I was squatting 300 pounds. 2 weeks ago, the whole week was crazy. On Friday, I made 2 videos, so I was like at the gym for 3 hours. There was like maybe 1 out of 6 days that I did my reverse hyperextensions. I didn't do any of my core exercises. I didn't tell Andy ahead of time. I felt my back that morning. I took a whole bunch of CBD. It felt a little bit better. Then I was in the middle of the workout and we hit a PR. In the middle of the set, we did like a rest pause, so we stopped for 5 seconds because I basically just about hit fatigue, and I just kind of stretched and I like stuck my butt out, and I felt like a pain go up my right side. I didn't say anything to him. Why? I don't know. So in mid leg press, I told him, hey, I feel my back a little bit, whatever. We kind of changed up what we were going to do. We didn't do lunges. We actually ended up doing sled pulls. Found a really great chiropractor, and at the end of the video, you're going to see this. I mean, they do everything. They do the cupping, the Graston. They did the Graston on me, and why do I feel like I think I remember hearing that they do dry needling, which I swear by. So today, I am going to go and do another workout with Andy. So I've been doing my recovery exercises. I saw the chiropractor twice last week. I'm going to introduce you guys to the chiropractor place tomorrow. I actually orally took the CBD. I don't have it with me. The CBD, all the information is in the description. Yeah, I'm going to put on my waist trainer. I did hamstrings this week, and I did glutes. I annihilated a glute workout. But Frida Paulson, she is an IFBB pro. She's another Blackstone Labs teammate of mine. So we had an awesome workout. And I did hamstrings on Tuesday. I didn't go as heavy, but I did them. All right, let me get into this workout. I told him about my back, like I told you guys in the car, and he said, oh, well, that's great, because we're not going to hit a PR, we're going to go for volume. I got my stopwatch.
Stopwatch, so we're going high volume, we're going short rest periods. So it was like, she read my mind.
Not looking forward to this. So we're going to film it. I don't have a cameraman. Koa didn't want to come. So I'm just going to be propping up the camera, and we're going to be filming some sets. And then the second half of the video will be me tomorrow at the chiropractor, not with a broken back. Okay? am here right now. It is the next day, obviously, and I am at Las Vegas Valley Care, where it's a pain center. They do chiropractic, Grafton, pretty much everything. They do the cupping too. They've done Grafton and chiropractic on me. So I'm here today because I started seeing them last week after kind of what I explained yesterday. And I just want to start out this video by saying I felt no pain yesterday after the workout. You guys saw that part. And today, I posted a really motivating picture and I had a client that lost 124 pounds, and there were a couple negative comments and they really messed up my whole aura, and my back was feeling fine. I trained clients, and then boom, I reach to go grab something and I felt it in my back. I went to the gym. I still did some of my core exercises today. It was just all core and like rehab stuff, some of the stuff that they taught me to do in there. Rikki is my chiropractor. Dr. Moses is the one this is his place. It's just a reminder that you have got to rid yourself of the negativity. So I actually made a rule for my social media now. If anybody posts anything negative, I'm just going to delete the comment. And unfriend them, possibly block them, because I can't. I gotta protect my aura. I gotta protect myself. This is not just for me because of my Crohn's and my herniated disc and this is for all people. You guys should all protect yourself from the negativity, whether it's family, friends, people that you don't know, social media, whatever it is. So I'm gonna go in there now. We're gonna record a little bit of the work that they're gonna do on me, and I know I'm gonna feel better as soon as I'm done here. So we are now inside, and this is Rikki, who I was talking about, so I'm not gonna do much talking. She's gonna just introduce herself, talk about the facility, and then what we're gonna do today based on the scenario that I told her about.
So hey, I'm Rikki. We are with LV Valley Care. We've been in this location for literally just a few weeks, but I've been with the clinic since August. I've been a chiropractor in Minnesota prior for a few years. My specialty is more of like the sports emphasis, so you're never gonna come in and not get a workout something with me. We do obviously adjusting what needs to be adjusted, but it's not gonna be your whack it, crack it type of chiropractic experience. She told me about her little situation here. We've been doing good, chipping away at making that back better and stronger, but negative energy obviously rises your stress levels, everything like that in the body. So we're gonna actually start her out just getting her to relax on the table. We're gonna start out with Stim, similar to like a TENS unit, but a little more intense, fires the muscles, gets her calm before I crank her around.
Perfectly put.
We stay out, we get down. The clock is ticking, but I don't mind, 'cause I'm all out of good luck, and I got nothing to lose. Oh, no one's got a right to own me. Got it on my own feet, for sure. We will fall and climb up on the rooftops, cut the bonds and change locks. We will wave our flags tonight while the world is burning. We will raise our fists in pride when the tide is turning. We will wave our flags tonight. We will wave our flags tonight. We will wave our flags tonight. We don't rest, don't get tired. I'm always moving, but I don't mind it, 'cause I'm too high to come down. I see it growing, and we got nothing to lose. No one's got a right to own me. Got it on my own feet, for sure. We will fall and climb up on the rooftops, cut the bonds and change locks. We will wave.
Sound a little out of breath.
Yeah, it's borderline pathetic. Fucking, you let go and
Another one you can do. Do you ever do farmer carries?
yeah, I haven't in a while, but that was part of my
adding
rehab.
in single arm, so you're working on the QLs.
Okay,
Single arm heavy.
like how heavy?
Not like you're dying, but so that you're really engaged. Oh my
Like
god,
100?
really heavy. Something that's gonna keep your torso
Okay.
engaged.
Okay.
And
We will wave our
Oh,
your butt in the hole. Scoot down.
butt in the hole.
Scoot down. Good job.
All right, so we're done. I'm not kidding. I'm not just saying this because we're on camera. Like, I actually totally feel different than when I first walked in here. So we ended with the bed, and then we just talked some smack, and then now I'm about to leave, and I feel good. So,
Filled it with positive energy.
yes, I did. I came in with negative, and I'm leaving with positive. So, I'm going to put all their information. So, if you guys want to contact them, you're in the Vegas area, look in the description, and then like, subscribe, all that jazz. Leave comments. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like. Let me know if you like Rikki. She's taken. So, sorry. But you can come see her at the chiropractor if you want to. 2-3 times a week. All right. Love you guys. Bye.